Somewhere in your neighborhood, Dave just spent $300 on granola bars. Dave didn't need $300. Dave needed this video. All right, before you go, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss episode 3, where we'll talk about staying warm when the power's out. Dave, take notes. Bailey, put the phone down. Stay sharp out there.
Hey, I'm Ash. First stop, the back of your pantry. Honey never expires. Salt, cooking oil, vinegar. Same story. Dave walked right past all of it. Oats, pasta, dried beans. If you have those, you have weeks of real meals. Not exciting, but nobody's going hungry.
Hi, I'm Vix. Today, we're walking through a couple of hidden food sources already sitting in a typical home. No special gear, no panic run required.
Dad, are we gonna starve?
I don't know, Peanut. I don't know.
Dave's more prepared than he thinks.
Condiments, soy sauce, mustard, hot sauce, everyone has that drawer. Long shelf life, and makes just about everything edible.
I have 17 packets of soy sauce from takeout. That's for sushi.
There's also like 4 pounds of rice back there, Dad.
Your freezer holds temperature for 48 hours without power. Don't open it constantly. Eat from it strategically. Peanuts, frozen waffles, totally fine.
Next time on Asphalt Lynx, the heat's out, it's 30 degrees, and Dave's going to heat the house. We're talking shelter, warmth, and which rooms actually keeps you alive. Episode 3, coming soon.